Achiote.
You're okay, Jonathan.
Preheated, and in Mexico, as in Colombia, you have achiote, which is like a little red thingy that will colorate the food. I don't know if you guys heard about it. No? It's a seed. Yeah.
What are these?
These are sauces from the outside.
Oh, well done now. That looks good. What type of sauce is it?
I know.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna start with the sofrito, with the base of the Italian has it, the French has it. For us, it's scallions and onions. One of the kitchen tip, so you don't burn the onions, you just don't wanna give it color, add a little bit of salt, that's gonna strike the water, and it's gonna prevent the caramelization as fast as we don't add the salt. Okay?
But it doesn't make it very salty.
You do? Right there. So, as you can see, all the juices, all the water that are coming out. Perfect. So we can add a little bit of this, more color.
No, that was deliberate. I was taking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
But I didn't want to block it.
No, I took already.
Okay, good.
I love taking pictures of people where they're focusing on the picture and on the place. It's an art.
Great looking onions, you guys. I love it. Oh,
There we go.
right there. You just want to sweat them, don't caramelize them.
Sweat, not caramel.
A little bit of more salt.
That smells great.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I wish I had smell-o-vision on this.
All right. Next step.
It's a status.
We are in the kitchen of the hotel right now. Now we're going to take the potatoes
The tubers?
and the corn.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Get the other pot in there.
Get in there. Extract all the flavor of the onion, salt. We're gonna extract. We're gonna remove the chicken from the stock.
Okay.
Because we're gonna pluck the meat and put it in at the end of the dish. See? It's all cooked. All the flavor is in the stock. No, es para sacar el pollito. Yes? Oh yeah. That is our chicken. Ahorita ya va a pasar el fondo acá.
Aquí no tiene cebolla.
Una nomás. Oh yeah.
How many chickens?
Perfect. Esto ya lo para
Combien de pollo? Combien de pollo?
el pollo. It's gonna go with the. All right, let's go ahead and start adding the stuff.
He takes stock in his food.
Take stock of that.
How often do you get to see the dish from market to table?
Yeah.
Anywhere, not even just a hotel restaurant.
Cacha, the tuber, and the yellow potato.
A la
That is,
cacha.
Yeah.
Okay.
That it's blended, and then we're gonna go ahead and add it.
Put those in a blender.
Yes, so we can accelerate the process.
Ah.
Usually you just put it, rough chop it, just wait until it disintegrated, but we accelerate the process.
And what's in the
It's just the yellow potato and the tuber.
Yellow potato and what?
And the yellow tuber?
Yellow tuber. Okay.
Yeah. Gracias. Perfect. This is gonna thick the sauce. Pretty much.
Let me see.
The sauce, the soup.
Oh, it looks so nice. Sauce, soup is just a sauce you have without anything on it.
Exactly. But the stock already has all the flavor, the nectar from the chicken.
So
From
tell me how we're preparing this for.
this one, it's just chicken, a little bit of cilantro, and the
And how about the tubers?
the tubers. Yeah, we're gonna add it. For you.
But it's not. So the same, except the onion.
Yeah, exactly.
It just looks so green. That's the only reason I'm asking. This looks so green, and that's so
Oh,
yellow.
this one is green too. I don't know if you can see it. Because we have the cilantro. Maybe yours is a little bit more
I
concentrated.
see. Okay.
And sorry.
My toque.
Oh, it's your chef actor.
Toque.
Toke? Is that what it's called?
Yes, it's a toque.
Right here.
Ah, I see what you mean.
I mean,
Right
it's
here.
2 hours for the stock.
That looks good. Like you could eat that just like that. It looks like
It is actually.
a type of porridge.
Yeah,
What is that?
this is the blended tuber and the potato.
Oh, okay.
Same,
Can
but
I
we're-
taste the drop?
For sure.
I don't hurt myself.
You'll need a spoon or something.
Yeah.
I'll bring this spoon.
I'm just very curious.
But it's raw though.
That's okay.
He probably eats raw cookie dough too.
Y la masa.
I love burger.
I figured that.
Okay, we include all potatoes, chopped potato.
We're gonna add the corn and the potatoes. We're gonna slow cook it until it's all break apart. See, it's getting that yellow color from the chutney.
At what point do we add the potatoes here?
Just a little bit more.
Oh, it has to-
extract more flavor.
Okay, got it. I'm just curious.
Right there.
No, yeah. Spa will not open. I want to get the chef center. That's no turn. Profile shop.
You know, you can tell a lot about a restaurant by the kitchen you're in. If it's nice and clean, right?
I'll just send this to you by
Oh,
text.
thank you. That's really the best portrayal of my chef skills for people.
Well, I thought that was a nice part of it. I was opening glasses.
Yeah, that'd be good.
So you never know what goes on in the kitchen, but this one is nice and clean,
Yeah.
you know?
Well,
It doesn't have the same.
could be that's
We're at the potatoes for now.
Right?
Pass that double.
So what are we doing with this pot as opposed to the other
This
pot?
one, it's onion free.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see.
Like a kid.
Hey, Jonathan, you do understand this pot's for you, right?
Yes.
I didn't realize that, but his is green and that's the onion. Does the onion make it yellow?
Yeah.
That has to cook more.
That's all right.
Mine was started late, so it's kind of
3 hours behind. So you're gonna eat in 3 hours.
We'll be in
After you.
Send it to your room.
That's right. You're in Bogotá, Colombia.
¿Cuándo le pones el aguacate? Entonces dile que esto va a estar más o menos en, pasamos en 2 horas.